Most software adds to your digital noise. We identified the specific AI tools that actually block distractions and help you maintain deep focus during your workday. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. The modern workspace is a minefield of micro-distractions. In 2026, the problem isn't a lack of information. It is the surplus of it. You sit down to write a proposal or analyze a dataset. Within 3 minutes, a Slack notification pings. An email banner slides into your peripheral vision. Your phone vibrates with a news alert. Research shows it takes an average of 23 minutes to regain full concentration after a single interruption. If you get distracted 3 times an hour, you never actually reach a state of deep work. You spend your entire day in a state of shallow processing. This leaves you exhausted at 5 p.m. with nothing tangible to show for your effort. You feel like you worked hard, but the needle didn't move. This isn't a lack of willpower. It is a failure of your environment. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 3 AI tools to integrate into your workflow to reclaim 10 hours of focus time every week. Number 1, Biometric Audio Synthesis. This tool creates an adaptive soundscape that reacts to your heart rate and cognitive load in real time. Most people use static lo-fi beats or white noise. The problem is that the human brain eventually habituates to repetitive patterns. Once your brain predicts the loop, it starts looking for external distractions again. These new AI tools sync with your smartwatch or biometric ring to shift the audio frequency the moment your stress levels spike or your attention wavers. It uses pink noise and beta wave frequencies to pull your brain back into a flow state. Let me break this down plainly. Instead of you trying to focus on the music focuses on you. To use this today, download a biometric-compatible audio engine and grant it read access to your health data. Set the target state to deep work and let the algorithm modulate the decibels based on your pulse. This ensures your environment adapts to your internal state without you touching a single dial. Biometric audio turns your headphones into a physical barrier against the outside world. Number 2, Semantic Notification Gatekeepers. This is a layer of intelligence that sits between you and your communication apps. It does not block all notifications. It understands them. Most tutorials won't tell you this, but traditional do not disturb modes are too blunt. They block the urgent client call along with the irrelevant group chat. An AI gatekeeper reads the incoming text of every notification. It determines if the content requires immediate action based on your current project. If you are coding and a colleague asks about lunch, the AI silences it. If a server goes down and your name is on the ticket, it lets the alert through. Here's the thing most people miss. You can train these models by feeding them your project briefs and deadlines. To implement this, connect your messaging platforms to a centralized AI filter. Define your high-priority keywords and individuals. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right. Selective filtering replaces manual checking with automated peace of mind. Number 3, Active Synthesis Engines. These tools eliminate the need for tab hopping during research. Deep work is often broken by the search for a single fact or a specific document. You leave your word processor to find a quote, get lost in a browser for 20 minutes, and lose your momentum. An active synthesis engine runs locally on your machine. It indexes every PDF, email, and web page you have interacted with over the last month. When you need information, you query the local engine via a small text box that stays on top of your work. It provides the answer instantly without you ever opening a browser. No fluff, here's exactly how to do it. Install a local-first LLM and point its vector database to your work folder. Use a hotkey to trigger the search bar. Ask for the specific data point you need. The AI retrieves it and cites the source. This keeps your eyes on the primary task and your hands on the keyboard. Information retrieval should be a background task, not a distraction. Number 4, Algorithmic Schedule Defragmentation. Most professionals have calendars that look like Swiss cheese. You have 30 minutes of work, a 15-minute meeting, and another 40 minutes of work. It is impossible to achieve deep work in these small gaps. AI scheduling tools in 2026 do more than just find open slots. They actively negotiate with other AI agents to move meetings into clusters. If you have 4 meetings spread across a Tuesday, the tool will automatically propose new times to the other participants to group those meetings in the afternoon. This creates a protected 4-hour block in the morning for your most difficult tasks. Skip the theory. Here's what actually works. Enable defrag mode in your AI calendar settings. Set your focus requirements to a minimum of 90-minute blocks. The software will then handle the back-and-forth emails to clear your schedule. The honest answer is, if you don't defend your time, other people will steal it. A fragmented calendar is the greatest enemy of high-level output. Number 5, visual attention monitors. This tool uses your laptop camera to track your eye movement and posture. It sounds invasive, but it is entirely local and private. It acts as a digital mirror. When the AI detects that your eyes have left the primary application for more than 60 seconds, or if your posture slumps into a state of fatigue, it triggers a subtle nudge. This might be a slight dimming of the screen or a gentle chime. It serves as a pattern interrupt. Most of our distractions are subconscious. We pick up our phones without realizing we are doing it. This tool makes the subconscious conscious. To start, calibrate the sensor to your primary work window. Set the nudge sensitivity to medium. This provides an external accountability partner that never gets tired. Self-awareness is the foundation of any productive work session. That's everything for today. If one of those saves you even 30 minutes this week, it was worth your time watching. We covered biometric audio to stabilize your brain waves. We looked at semantic gatekeepers to filter your noise. We discussed synthesis engines to stop tab hopping. We explored schedule defragmenting to protect your mornings. Finally, we touched on attention monitors to keep you physically engaged with your tasks. Use these tools to build a fortress around your focus. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We post every week, no filler. And drop a comment below. Which of these distractions kills your productivity the most right now? I read every reply.